Amelia. This is when I asked Amelia if she could stand up and spin for me. And she said yes. Hi, Goofy. I think she's delirious. Did you hit your hand? Okay, Amelia, can you say bye-bye?
Bye-bye.
All right, adios.